Perhaps you know an interesting fact about beyond visual range air-to-air missiles, but let me recap it again. Despite their high cost, the efficiency of BVR air-to-air missiles has always been criticized. You know that, right? These missiles often fall short of expected performance because they require large radars, two-stage propulsion systems, and other complex components. This increases the missile's weight, leading to higher drag and reduced maneuverability for the fighter jet. Another disadvantage is that fighter pilots have been reluctant to use BVR missiles at BVR ranges due to difficulty distinguishing between friends and foes. As a result, most BVR missiles are fired at visual range. Data from 1965 to 1982 revealed that Western Air Forces scored only 4 BVR kills out of 528 total kills, with most kills during that period being achieved using guns or within visual range missiles. However, during the 1991 Gulf War, the number of BVR kills increased to 16 due to technological advancements in missile design. Despite all these facts, the continuous development of highly accurate missiles to achieve 100% success is an ongoing and never-ending process. Right after the end of the Cold War, both America and Russia focused on creating sophisticated, high-quality weapons. They have been consistently refining the development of their AIM-120 AMRAAM, Wimple R-37 and Wimple R-77, all of which fall under the BVR missile category. On the other hand, European nations also require state-of-the-art BVR missiles to arm their Rafale, Gripen and Typhoon fighters. While these jets are equally capable of delivering American missiles, equipping them with a core European air-to-air missile enhances interoperability and export independence, rationalizes and consolidates the European missile industry. Additionally, it provides a counterweight to US dominance in this field and lowers the risk of constraints on Eurofighter, Gripen and Rafale exports. Taking several other factors into consideration, a collaborative effort involving 6 major European nations, the UK, Germany, Italy, France, Spain and Sweden, ultimately resulted in the development of a state-of-the-art beyond visual range missile known as the Meteor BVR air-to-air missile. The development of the Meteor BVR missile program began in the early 1990s with the goal of replacing the Skyflash air-to-air missile on the Eurofighter Typhoon. However, full-scale development and production officially commenced in 2003 following the signing of a £1.2 billion contract by the UK on behalf of 6 nations. So today we are going to reveal the details of the Meteor air-to-air missile designed by MBDA. Jai Hind dosto, this is Prajesh and you are watching AirPra. Let's get into it. The Meteor is an European active radar-guided beyond visual range air-to-air missile developed by MBDA. It can engage multiple targets including jet aircraft, UAVs and cruise missiles, even in heavy electronic countermeasures environments with a range exceeding 200 km. A solid-fueled ramjet motor allows the missile to cruise at speeds exceeding Mach 4, providing thrust and mid-course acceleration. According to MBDA, the Meteor has 3 to 6 times the kinetic performance of current air-to-air missiles of its type. The missile is equipped with both proximity and impact fuses to maximize destructive effects and reliability. Meteor missiles first entered service on the Swedish Air Force's JAS 39 Gripens in April 2016 and officially achieved initial operational capability same year in July 2016. Long-range capability. Meteor offers exceptional range, far surpassing traditional air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM. Its maximum range can reach up to 200 km with a no-escape zone of 60 km or more, enabling aircraft to engage enemy targets well beyond visual range. Active radar guidance. The missile uses active radar homing, which means it can track and engage targets autonomously once launched. This reduces the need for continuous radar lock from the launch platform, allowing the launching aircraft to maneuver or disengage quickly after firing. High accuracy targeting. The missile's advanced radar seeker provides precise targeting even in cluttered or jamming environments. Meteor's ability to lock onto and engage fast, maneuvering targets at long ranges is one of its standout features. It is a joint development between MBDA's Seeker Division and Thales Airborne Systems, building on their cooperation with the AD4A family of seekers, which equip the Mach and Aster missiles. Data link for mid-course updates. Meteor features an advanced data link that enables real-time updates during its flight. This allows the launching aircraft to provide mid-course corrections based on changing target dynamics or retargeting if required, including the data from off-board third parties. The data link is capable of transmitting information such as the missile's kinetic status and notifying when the seeker acquires the target. Overall, it ensures the missile can adapt to dynamic battle environments. Challenges in FAS placement and design. The missile's flight path is managed through the use of 4 fins positioned at the rear, which provide aerodynamic control. The Meteor Fin Actuation Subsystem, in short FAS, is engineered to achieve sharp turn rates while ensuring efficient intake and propulsion functionality. However, the FAS design is made more complex by the linkages that connect the actuator housed in the fairing to the fins mounted on the missile's body. Propulsion efficiency and maneuverability. The Meteor missile employs a propulsion subsystem that consists of a throttle-level ducted rocket, in short TDR ramjet, with an integrated nozzle-less booster. TDR propulsion offers a long range, a high average speed, a broad operational envelope from sea level to high altitude, and a flexible mission profile enabled by active variable thrust control. Unlike traditional rocket motors, which burn out after a few seconds, the ramjet sustains thrust throughout the missile's flight. The ramjet also provides better energy management compared to solid propellant motors, resulting in no escape zones that are significantly larger than those of conventional air-to-air missiles. Additionally, the Meteor features a high-efficiency titanium intake and advanced aerodynamics to maximize propulsion effectiveness, ensuring superior performance and exceptional maneuverability during its terminal phase. Resistance to jamming and countermeasures. Meteor is designed to be resistant to both electronic warfare jamming and decoys. Its advanced radar and processing technologies allow it to perform well in contested environments where traditional missiles might be neutralized by enemy countermeasures. Mass 190 kg, length 12 feet, diameter 7 inches, warhead high explosive blast fragmentation, detonation RF proximity and impact fuse, seeker active radio frequency, engine throttleable ducted rocket, in short TDR, range maximum 200 plus kilometer and no escape zone 60 kilometer, speed Mach 4, guidance systems, inertial guidance, mid-course updates via data link and terminal phase active radar homing. Launch platform: the Eurofighter Typhoon, Dassault Rafale and Saab Gripen are the primary aircraft integrated with the missile, and integration efforts are also underway for the F-35 and South Korea's KF-21 BVRAAM fighter jet. The MBDA Meteor missile is primarily operated by several European countries, including those actively involved in its development. Additionally, as of 2024, other international operators of the missile include Brazil, Croatia, Greece, Qatar, and India. In the near future, South Korea is scheduled to integrate the missile into its inventory within its allocated time frame. Well, in conclusion, I must say that the Meteor missile is a game changer in air-to-air combat, offering unmatched range, precision, and resistance to countermeasures. So far, I have created exclusive videos on the ASRAAM, Iris-T, Brimstone, Taurus KPD-350 and the updates on the Meteor today. Based on these formidable weapons, can you guess which fighter jet I will create an exclusive video on next? Please answer in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.